Hello, everyone. We're back here at Azureta channel with Fernando. Hello, Fernando.
Hi, Jorge. How's it going?
Very good, very good. I know I can see now that you're sharing like a Twitter from Craig. Craig is the PM for Windows Subsystem for Linux. And Craig's asking us to test that Windows WSL install, dash install. Have you done that, Fernando? Can you show that working for us?
Oh, it will be my first time. I'm recording my first time, and the thing is, the documentation is updated here on Microsoft. And the big update is this block here saying now we can do the WSL dash install to skip the steps 1 to 6. Look at that steps. We have videos here on Azure showing how to set up the WSL2 with Nuno or Docker Captain. Like we did this video like in May on the occasion of the MS build. Now the things look they are easier because only one command do everything. So we have some requirements. We need to have a Windows version on the Windows Insider program. It's exactly what I have here on the preview. I'm on the dev channel. The minimum version is this 22.11. And I have here the 22.41, so it should work. So the instruction is we do the WSL dash install. It will install Ubuntu as default, or we can do WSL dash install dash D, the distribution name. For instance, here we will install Debian, or it's saying we can do WSL dash list dash online to see other distributions. But let's show how it works. So here, if you do WSL, you have these options install and dash help. And if you do the WSL dash list dash online, I'm getting the same screen, but I think after we install, it will work. So let's try WSL dash install to get the Ubuntu installed here. Okay, I need to be an admin. So let's open this again and then run as administrator. WSL dash install. Okay, this is installing the virtual machine platform.
They're now like a single command. They're going to install all
Everything.
the requirements.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh, okay. We need to reboot the compute to check. Okay, I will reboot the compute here.
That was quick.
Restart. Okay, I'm using an Azure machine. I will reconnect. And thanks for the Azure Spot instance. I'm using like a very powerful machine here, paying like 20 cents per hour, and the normal price is $5 per hour. Let's try to reconnect.
That's a good tip. Just get a spot VM on Azure that's very cheap, and you can just start and stop and just use it when you need it.
Yeah.
A good way to do development.
Yes, and the Spot instance is really cheap. Like I'm paying a few pennies to run this test. I think it's not properly restarted yet. Let's try again.
I think the whole idea here is, Fernando, is to simplify the way that we're using WSL, and it'll be easier for anyone that's get a fresh Windows. Then you're going to have the WSL command available that you can just go and install, and for automation as well.
Like I changed computers like 3 times on the last month. It will save me like a couple hours in a day. Okay, it was a time to reboot the machine. And let's check here what I have here. WSL. If I have WSL, I have the command. Let's do here in this way. WSL. Okay. No install distributions. Okay, so WSL dash list dash all I don't have any distribution installed. Okay, let's do WSL. What was the command? Let's go back here. Okay, it was the first feedback. I was expecting to get the Ubuntu installed out of the box, but let's go back here. Okay, so the next command, WSL install-d Debian. Let's try to do this command here to see if it works.
Just do WSL install again.
Yeah, let's do again. Okay, now.
Do a list, do the list now. List online to see.
Oh, no, I'm getting it. It's right, the command, yes, list, dash list, okay. So what we are getting here, we are getting the arguments for the comments. Okay, but there is no problem. This is like a preview. Oh, okay, distribution name. Let's try to do this command here.
Fernando, I think the first feedback for Craig is that the dash online is not working, and the dash install initially didn't install the Ubuntu.
The Ubuntu
didn't work.
The first feedback, but let's try to install this Debian. It's not working. Okay, so far what we got, we have the WSL enabled. Let's do the traditional way to go to the Windows Store here and install a distro. Just to make this video quick, I choose Debian because it's a lightweight version of Linux, right? And Debian. I can install here Debian. And wait a little bit. The Debian is a very small footprint.
At least all the dependencies that to enable WSL on Windows now is like a single command.
Yes. No, it is. No, for me, it's good. It have improved a lot, but it will be awesome if you can do a WSL dash install dash the Ubuntu to install the first. Okay, now I have the Debian here. It looks like the Linux kernel is already installed. We have everything installed. Let's do here password. Okay, we have.
There you go.
Okay, all good. So thanks for this improvement. And the only thing that's pending on this work is to make the Ubuntu work as a default. But it's all good. Thanks for this improvement. It will help a lot to avoid. It will let us to skip these steps here. We can go straight to the step 6. So this documentation is skipping. Oh, there is a note here. No, this is the note about the version. Let's check which version are we running. Default, but WSL -L-V. Oh, and it's already setting by default the WSL version 2. This is great. All good, George?
All good. It's a good feedback. Thanks for giving a go on that, Fernando.
And let's tweet back Craig and show what he got.
Let's see now. Thanks.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.